Ready? Start. I am directed to say that from the reports received from certain commandants of the training centers and units carrying out reservist training, it is observed that in several cases the employers do not release the employees who have liability to serve as reservists for training the reservist training centers. Full stop. Para. A reservist is required to declare himself as a reservist in terms of the regulation for the Army of India. Full stop. Rule 2. And an employer accepts the liability to spare him for training and for mobilization when required. Full stop. As the state governments are aware under the provisions of the Indian Reserve Force Act 1888 as amended by the Parliament, it is not obligatory on the part of the employer to reinstate the reservist in their employment after completion of training. Full stop. Non-release of employees with reserve liability for periodical training at the centers is therefore against both the letter and spirit of the law in this regard, and it is requested that suitable instructions may be issued to all concerned under intimation to this ministry to release the reservists for periodical training immediately on receipt of calling up notices from the